So let's begin with House of Folk stories. And ahead of the game, our head coach Abubakar Ouattara, are confident. Boys in the near moment, training grounds. Our last 5 games, my bono, or GDA Kessia Power and Muse on Sunday, dear Nemantiano, on Betriafa, Kotokoso, Yinti Abubakar Ouattara.
Last season, we lost 3 times. The first round, second round, and the Democracy Cup. But the motivation is the league. We are playing new league, and we need to capitalize maximum points. It's true, Kotoko House of Folk is a special game, but the objective is the same, 3 points. And the boys are motivated because we need that match to continue. You remember last season we survived. We are trying to get more points to didn't get the same pressure we have last season.
You go so on some House of Folk in paying for ne or old players they been susudi to Jano. Na former House of Folk defender Sam Johnson for you. On also the two just say. Adia bakwe beha kotoko ye pan ye say. On last game summer ball in the Premier League, normal ball in clay at some home venue. On returning to Babayara, the first one to host House of Folk. Or say no be favor House of Folk pa. Na pressure bia supporters never be go omosono and ebema has Ashomo, Yinti Sam Johnson.
Hassan Kotoko is that one game is always, trickish. Let me put it that way, because you can see Has will be on top form, and then maybe Kotoko is just struggling, and then you go 1-0 or something, then it does his Has will be struggling, and Kotoko will just go there and then beat Kotoko. So when it comes to Accra House of Folk and Kotoko, it's not always who is in form or whatever, but the best thing is that the fans want to see a good football, just to see that you are playing but you can't win. When it comes to that one, then you are free, but when you don't play and you don't win, that is where the fans try to hoot at you, to do so many things. But I think this time, with the morale that I'm seeing, I think things will be better than before. I don't think that will play part, but it's good. That for them is good because they are now coming for the fans to see them. They will see their fans again, so it's good. But we have to ask ourselves also that is their players ready to meet the fans? That one also we can have advantage there. Maybe some of them will be panicking because of the fans. If our boys also will want to see the fans to play, that will also help them. They will get that. They will take advantage from that one and then utilize this. But I think it will help playing in Kumasi. That is where House of Folk also want to play, because we also have the fans there. So I think it's going to be a very good. Yeah, let me say, they are not much like Accra, but they can support very well. And when they are supporting you, they support you with passion. And that makes us love to, be around them, because let me say, they know how to, make you feel good. Let me put it that way. They know how to make you feel good. And anytime we go to, even the national team, you can see that we always want to go to Kumasi, because the way they support, when things are going well, they can take you to the top. So it's all about, we have to start good. If we start good, trust me, we are going to come out.
Right, so I don't know summer. Yakwakuti, head coach Ouattara Kasa, Sam Johnson for you, former player Edema, House of Folk Kasa. Joseph Ablo, or a defender Edema Santikotoko. Or say Oba League Nimuno, who striker Papa Bia or House of Folk. Into Momo Yena, Hamza is a baby shetre, and a baby he say, and a wayo, and a one, or sister Dinina, Bia Shadan, any Capabiasa. And on our supporters, no so do one tomb. The no idea supporters from Maki can be pa. How much I say? ablo wona ye de ball ne be fa ho yie pa ye de ball no e be fa wan hwi mpa be she on goal yentin some supporters but of both clubs they are two ahead of the super clash
bagwa ka be te won na be west ba fe draw ka be ko na me fefu la ka won smo we ka fe ko fefu the spirit eba ona ni Sunday ka wo jipo e park nani o ye kuma se wona che ko task council be wa okay bagwa so we are Fantabulous boys no kuma se sports stadium omo hu se ball no e bono park na so be so ball ball is bowling na me coach no so tuni no ma say na na dem Sunday let me take 3 points and then move forward.
Let's play even better in away matches than home this year. Yes. And you know, as an ordinary supporter, normal. But the reality will show on the ground on Sunday.
And yes, I know Mugaka. Now I'm in to know. Sika will cry no, then contumely. As last year, you bore me back to back. This year, Yasa show, the best I show mobile. I want to me more. Yet, I almost still one.
Amame kancha was say house no kotoko game no referee yin no Prince Okoto Ntiamwa assistants Richard Nati and Alex Osman fourth referee Maxwell so match commissioner Tasembedo Osmani yes Tasembedo Osmani ono ene match commissioner was a game we mo now every time I mean can we house kotoko matches bia no yebe be wie na enema mensa na free maba bako team bako omo performing so well one team outsmarting the other mienu player bako bi obe yi ne ho na wa performing so well no be e kanasem ena ne to so mensa say referee obedi game no odin year yebe na baso especially when din year and taking the center stage of the game. Meanwhile, there could be some special performances from certain players, but because of say referee the certain course or which may be termed as dubious, which may be termed as deliberate course to favor one team and be shining over the splendid performance from these players. The referee Prince Okoto Ntiamwa on the lines Richard Nati and Alex Osman game where be fa ginamoso. I repeat, referee Prince Okoto Ntiamwa and Richard Nati and Alex Osman game where be fair ginamoso enye fenso ginamoso. May 9th ade see ya ekofa ba e ma nipa over 120 it was a referee's decision. Some years abacham yebo obi ani tuo police ni bo obi ani tuo oye neighbor amafo ebubu nkonwa ss niam nyina referee's course referee's decisions bi obeteki intermediate an humble plea to the referees mesremwa so bimpa frɛ mo sɛ mo magi sika bi na mo ndima team na mo kan twa mo say because of your integrity and because of the love of the game you not go that tangent. I know say ye ding say come do no bi a chew sika kese enye so de chew or the man say ya dwuma ma no e den so be reject. Sometimes you can reject it. Member supporters ne so sometimes you can reject it. Sometimes you can also take it and be fair. Use the laws of the game and make the game one of the best. Let the game be fairly won by any of the teams. Has Bomodi no winia, fantastic. Kotoko Bomodi no winia, fantastic. We shouldn't come back here on Monday, God willing, and make us a referee no and a mad team will win and as a team will lose here. That's not what we want. It's in referee Prince Okoto Ntiamwa. Prince Okoto Ntiamwa. For the last time, Prince Okoto Ntiamwa obi onim ni bia kan kire ne say Darius on Angel TV say game we be ye fa gina ne so enye fa nso gina ne so na minim say these referees are all yearning to get FIFA badges. Minim say oh FIFA badge there, but I know that every referee is aiming so be do international standard. CAF no akwa kodi games for ho, FIFA no akwa kodi games for ho. Inti sa game we no to me din year, your chances of going that height no are very very high. Memo be influencer. I know the administrators omo corrupt. Most of the administrators omo corrupt. But me just this single game Emma me deprive you from getting to that height. Ni ebehwe ni so akwa akodi sika enti no ye church no ma fa ne ho e bia FIFA crap so man badge FIFA call internet no so ko ho a ye say Prince Okoto takes bribe from Kotoko or House of Folk Management I don't continue na badge na the abo you cannot go forward. Enti me there as a brother asema make a chiro no so no lines no mo make sure say game no be di fairly now the best team will win on that day. Near Babtina Monday, I can say, match with dear has ball. Game with the Kotoko ball. Then, and also to me, I left the league. And of course, you the referee, your name so high. Into referee, or the no. To the supporters, this is actually a big game. And the supporters, I know you love your teams. On the day, and then I'm expecting from you, the supporters. Wherever you are, make sure you be at the stadium. Wherever you are, where and yes, all boys no can say Kwanewa, Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium, and a game near Boho. Be there on time, sit down, get one angel cola, never see one chain, and we are born to Nunya angel cola be seen China, ne actually a one tea tesu no. They say Oboba Kwana will show game. So the first thing I'm expecting from the supporters, go to the stadium and watch your team play. Go and support them, cheer them on. And only second thing, muko cheer them on. Ade ba kwa ye fe ne say, though instead anye professional de ba me hu a, because of our standards and because of our enema ye okromanti. Player be too much go be we no. Now supporters two skegu from sa, omo two skegu from sa, and Baba Yara is known for that. Even Legon ha Krempa House of Folk. Omo ba hono munche omo she goals be fa na supporters need to skegu omo so sa. This is what I want for me, the supporters. Don't go and be insulting the players, don't go and be booing the players. It's not done. And yeah, dear, I expect it from you. Monko make sure some be supporting players no monko cheer mo on. Chapter 04 for Abu Tertiary obi make sure say on the day no there okwa supporting the club. Onko tutu nsuo onko yesebe nkuru asesem. You go support your club in good faith, cheer them on. Jama bi anamo she flag bi anamo wavy over there and say player she go no say go and say ye am support any agea. It will encourage him, it will encourage the team to play well and to give you people that excitement and that happiness. To me like a krebi ameka chemo no which I know say near me kens we be 2-1 among ya boy we na team anya de no eno nche se ko tutu nkonwa o team no player no obo no wa ma metu akonwa wo na wote so ntutu akonwa na obesa aba na obeba betena bo so. No, just hold your cool. O team winia o say na mabomode papa na team ne ko o team elusu a the fansa shobotum e ko fie kode ye mpese e bewie game no ye say na police ni bia bo wetuo police na bi aposi fon so ye ba ho ye be sram a stadium ho no game no ye passion no obi akoma o he game na bibisi a you people don't understand the game football ana monti ase entina supporter otumi su ma the game poja na onsu sa but the team lu so otumi su second call and so te oso maduane asai ha san be shekotokode na chese bobo otumi se ontumi ponidi. That is the passion among for this game. Nti be sremo samuma game no enye lucrative muma game no enye tough. It should be competitive on the day. Now on Monday nyame ya adom ye betena ha ye be ka say wow ye ba be di game no ho adanse ye na ba be kan about tactics, how Ogum outsmarted Ouattara or how Ouattara outplayed Ogum. player bi obeshine bia na ba beka wa ha ye ma meka referee asem ye ma meka supporter bi a ototobo ana supporter bi okontokwa asem ne hu se game no afa no ntoma pafra ana opa ye no ketua bi pe ana me de ba beka kire mo se mo hwe na game no ebe fa a eye fa ma nyina esenso ese ma nyina but ne ma ebe se no mo ma ye nkata so mo ma ye nye no ye nye ne ma ebe ma game na ye papa ama investors ebe ba league nim investors ebe ba scout ebe ba be fa place ni bi di o makọ as usual no amu ne ewo. This Sunday we are expecting a good game from the Hearts or from the Kotoko Hearts game in Kumasi.